Why did I receive a notification about Windows 7? Support for Windows 7 came to an end on January 14, 2020. You are receiving notifications as a Windows 7 customer to remind you that your device is no longer supported and no longer receiving security updates. Microsoft made a commitment to provide 10 years of product support for Windows 7 when it was released on October 22, 2009. This 10-year period has now ended, and Microsoft has discontinued Windows 7 support so that we can focus our investment on supporting newer technologies and great new experiences. The specific end of the support day for Windows 7 was January 14, 2020. Technical assistance and software updates from Windows Update that help protect your PC are no longer available for the product. Microsoft strongly recommends that you move to Windows 11 to avoid a situation where you need service or support that is no longer available. What happens if I continue to use Windows 7? If you continue to use Windows 7 now that support has ended, your PC will still work, but it will be more vulnerable to security risks and viruses. Your PC will continue to start and run but will no longer receive software updates including security updates from Microsoft. Can Windows 7 still be activated after January 14, 2020? Windows 7 can still be installed and activated after the end of support. However, it will be more vulnerable to security risks and viruses due to the lack of security updates. How to continue using Windows 7 safely with no more updates. Windows 7 ranks among the top Windows operating systems. It's the reason individuals and businesses are still clinging to the OS even after Microsoft ended support in January 2020. While you can continue to use Windows 7 after the end of support, the safest option is to upgrade to Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you are unable, or not willing, to do so, there are ways to continue using Windows 7 safely with no more updates. However, safely still isn't as safe as a supported operating system. While you may think there aren't any risks, remember that even supported Windows operating systems are hit with zero-day attacks. These are attacks that are being actively exploited while developers hurry to issue effective security patches. With Windows 7 there won't be any security patches arriving when hackers decide to target Windows 7, which they'll likely do. Using Windows 7 safely means being more diligent than usual. If you're someone who doesn't really use antivirus software and/or visits questionable sites, the risk is likely too high. Even if you're visiting reputable sites, malicious ads could leave you exposed. While some of these risks exist even in Windows 10 and 11, attackers may be able to exploit a flaw in Windows 7 that's already been patched in these newer versions. Remember, Windows 10 and 11 are still being continuously updated, and making them more secure. Use caution. While you should do this on any operating system you use, using Windows 7 safely means being more cautious than usual. Don't click on ads online. Never click any pop-up that claims your computer's infected unless it's coming directly from your antivirus tool.
What to do if you're still running Windows 7? Keep your antivirus software up to date. Windows 7 does have some built-in security protections, but you should also have some kind of third-party antivirus software running to avoid malware attacks and other problems, especially since almost all victims of the massive WannaCry ransomware attack were Windows 7 users. Hackers will likely be going after Windows 7 machines even more often now that Microsoft support has ended. The free antivirus that Microsoft offers for Windows users works great for most users, but it won't receive updates now that Windows 7 is end of life. Yes, Windows Security Essentials is dead too. Now that your operating system won't receive security patches, it's even more crucial to run protection on your PC.
If you are one of those running Windows 7 PC for whatever reasons and you are stuck with the Windows Update error, then follow these steps to resolve it. The 80072EFE error is primarily a Windows Vista and Windows 7 issue. But it's also known to appear on Windows 10, often caused by malware belonging to the rootkit family. If you follow the original documentation, the error code hints towards a connection interruption. This can mean a flaky line or a cable interruption, but it can also be a red flag that is a malicious rootkit that is interfering with your internet connection. However, this issue can also be caused by third-party firewalls or antivirus suites that are overly protective when overseeing your data exchanges. Another potential culprit is corruption in those Windows files responsible for updating your OS. How to fix the Windows 7 update error. If this is a new Windows 7 installation, check if Service Pack 1 is installed. Right-click the computer, and then click Properties. The basic information about your computer page will open. Below the Windows Edition information, if Service Pack 1 is listed, SP1 would be already installed on your computer. If Service Pack 1 is not installed, download it and install. Next, you need to install some updates manually. Download the following Windows updates from Microsoft Update Catalog and install them. Note: these files are from Microsoft Update Catalog and we don't guarantee the availability.
After the manual downloads the 3 updates needed to fix the Windows 7 updates error from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Install all in sequence but don't restart the PC until all 3 updates have been installed. After installing everything, restart the PC.
Restart your computer to apply the updates you just installed. After restart, open Windows Update. Click Check for updates. This time the Windows Update should work. It may take a while for your computer to look up for updates and it should display, searching for updates.
Just keep checking for updates, download the available updates, and restart the PC after all downloadable updates are installed. Just repeat the procedure to check for available updates. When an update error message appears again, you just need to restart the PC to install the download updates, because you will not be able to install other updates if they are not in sequence. After downloading all the available updates for your PC, the last message that you will see should be that no important updates available. When you see this message, it means you successfully downloaded all available updates for your PC. The updates that you can download are up to the last updates that have been released for Windows 7 according to the discontinuation of Microsoft's support for this OS.